So today it is 23rd March and it is 8:30 a.m. right now. I'm having my coffee and today I am traveling to Varanasi again. This time I'm not traveling for a wedding. This is not a vacation and I'm actually going there for some family work, and I hope I can share some things with you. So guys, the packing is almost done and it is now almost 4 p.m. and we'll be leaving any minute, and my room is still a mess. This is my airport outfit. I'm wearing very casual things. So guys, it is currently 11:30 am. We have landed in Varanasi, and as I told you all that I have come here for a family work, and actually the work is that we have an Airbnb in Varanasi, and this time I have come here to set up that Airbnb. We already have 2 Airbnbs. This is the third one, and now I've ordered some food and we'll eat. To buy the basic amenities like towels, linen, and the cutlery that we provide in our Airbnb, we went to a local market, and this was an all-in-one market. We found almost everything at one store, and this store is definitely very good in terms of variety and even in terms of pricing. And honestly, I feel like each and every Airbnb host devotes a lot of time, care, love, money, and also the hard work, because each and everything is being set up by us. My dad did the 80% work of renovating the place and making it ready for the guest. We did the work of setting it up, decorating it, and making it feel homely. That is the main purpose of an Airbnb home. We have been doing this since 2001, and it's been 2 years, and this process has taught us a lot. We have hosted over 80 guests up till now, and each guest teaches us a lot. We have got good reviews and bad reviews as well. Good reviews motivate us and bad reviews teach us how to improve, and it's been a roller coaster ride. And if you are coming to Varanasi with your family or friends, you can come to our Airbnb. I will be putting a link in the description box. So guys, finally done with setting up the house. As you can see, I am now going to upload the photos. I just finished shooting the pictures, and if you are coming through this video, you can provide a code that is Janaki10, and we will be giving you a discount of 10% on your overall booking. So yeah, you can even recommend your friends or family if you know someone who is coming to Varanasi. So as we enter from the main door, this is what the living room looks like. If I give you a pan view, and this is the sofa, which is a 6-seater, plus we have 2 more seats over here, and this is a table which has a glass top, and it is of cream beige color, and we have a very beautiful plant over there. That plant will go to that corner, but for the shoot I have kept it over there. And we have 2 beautiful paintings, and over here we have a dining table with gray seats and a marble top. And over here we have a basin so that when you eat you can easily go and wash your hands over here. And this is the TV area, and we have decorated very beautifully with the green plants. As you can see, pot is so beautiful. When I saw it I wanted to buy it immediately. It was that beautiful. And then we have 3 more plants over here. And if I talk about the view, we have some guests who are checking out right now. As you can see, this is what the view looks like. We have a balcony over there. So guys, as you enter from the main door, this is the master bedroom, and over here we have a desk which can be used for many things. Over here we have a wardrobe which can be used by our guests to keep their stuff and everything. Over here we have a side desk and a very beautiful bonsai plant, and this is what the bedroom looks like. Over there we have the washroom. This is the side table, and this is where the guest can get ready. Over here we have the master bathroom. This is the dry area, or the area where you can change, brush your teeth and wash your face. The soap dispenser and a towel, and we have also given this thing to keep your brush or toothpaste. This is the washroom. Over here we have the magnificent Ganga Ghat. This shows the real essence of Banaras. So as we enter from the living area, we have the next bedroom. This is a very spacious one, and we have a king size bed over here and 2 side tables, and we have a balcony again over here with the same view as we have in the living area. We even have a wardrobe over here, and again a place to work or keep your stuff over there. And this is what the room looks like. The dining table is here, and the kitchen is over here. It is quite dirty right now because we have been using it, and this is what it looks like overall. Oh, at the end we have the basin. Over there you have the dry area. It is quite huge, so you can use it to dry your clothes or to keep the extra stuff if you have. And here we have a small fridge, gas stove and chimney.